Reservations? No, she didn't make reservations. Because they asked for credit card.
What's going on, fam? So we are eating today at Animal Kingdom, and we went to Yak Yeti quick service. So there is a restaurant, sit-down table restaurant in Animal Kingdom. Yak Yeti is probably my favorite restaurant, but there's also a quick service that people don't really know about. So we thought we would give it a try, see if it's any good. And I am skeptical right now. We'll see what happens.
Why are you skeptical?
I don't know. So here's my sesame chicken with all the veggies. It looks really good, but again, I'm skeptical. I don't know. I'm used to the restaurant, so Sunshine got the firecracker shrimp. She doesn't like veggies, so I will probably be eating those. And of course we got lemonade. What do you think?
The firecracker shrimp is really good. It's spicier than I typically can tolerate, so I'm probably going to chug that entire lemonade, but I'm not disappointed.
Good. So let's try that out, because that looks divine. Here we go. It's actually pretty good. It's like typical Chinese food, honestly. So if you have like a local Chinese restaurant you go to, it's like that. Veggies are good. We do have the dining plan too, so we got quick service. You get, an entree and a drink. How do you hear again? That's pretty good. What say you?
I wish that they had mobile order, and that would probably make me more inclined to eat here again. This compared to Situli with mobile order, I'm just not sure.
No, I agree with that. It does not have mobile order. So we had to wait in line for, 30 minutes? Not even?
Not even. I'd say maybe 15.
It was a pretty quick line though. I wish I would have got an egg roll though. They gave you duck sauce. Egg rolls are fire. How do you hear again though? So, if you've never been to Yak Yeti, the local food cafe is the Yak Yeti quick service. The Yak Yeti restaurant is right next door in that building, and then all your seating is that way. So we were way in the back to the left. But yeah, that's your quick service. And it is in Asia. So So to give you a point of reference, there's the Vacation Club kiosk with the Wilderness Explorer field station. And then if you go that way, it's the
Everest.
what she said, Everest. Apparently I'm lost. Maybe you should tell me where to go. But yeah. So yeah. That's a good quick service meal. I would definitely eat there again. Satuli is better, but that's our go-to anyway. The sesame chicken was really good. It's like I said, it's like local Chinese food. It came with white rice, vegetables. The firecracker shrimp came with white rice and veggies, and of course the firecracker sauce with and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we got lemonade, 4 gallons of it.
And it was all needed.
And it was needed. And no, we didn't drink the 4 gallons of it. But I do wish I would have got some egg rolls. I would have liked to try the egg rolls. But being a dining plan, it didn't come with it. So maybe next time. But yeah, as always, love, peace, chicken grease.